What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Now I picked up two other devices here. Well, picked up the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and these came with a free case here, clip case with carabiner. If you pre-ordered, that was included in there. So my stuff has been here for 5 days. Came in last Thursday. Today is Tuesday. I was out of town on a small little getaway and wasn't able to unbox this stuff. So we're going to concentrate on the phone first, and then I'll do the Buds 3 Pro later. So here's the Z Fold 6. I got it in the navy blue, but this also comes in other colors as well. It's going to come in pink, comes in crafted black, white, and also silver. So I ended up picking up the blue, and I saw someone's video, and I thought the blue looked pretty good. I also considered the crafted black, but I'm kind of glad I didn't get that one. After seeing some videos, I don't think I would have liked that one as much. So here it is. Here's the packaging that it comes in. See the device there, Galaxy Z Fold 6. And that is pretty much it on the box on the outside of it. So let's go ahead and get into it, check it out. They make these pull tabs here. Now this is my first Z Fold in a while. I haven't had one since the Z Fold 4. I skipped last year and decided to go with the S24 Ultra or the flip. I know I had the flip. So here it is. Not much in the unboxing. You guys have seen all of this stuff here in other people's videos. But I always like to say I want to see if they put something different in mine. The charging cable, quick start guide in there. There's probably a SIM card tool in there as well. Here it is right here. And that's pretty much it in the box. Besides the phone, put the box right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the phone. So initial impressions, the blue is a nice color blue. It's a little bit different than what I pictured it to be, but it's still a nice looking blue right here. They have made this kind of boxy corners, which I like. The thinness of it is very nice. You guys see up here the speaker, the microphones up there. Right there, going around on this side, you guys see the antenna, volume up and down, power button. And then at the bottom, you're gonna have your charging port, a mic, and another speaker there. And then on this side, you got your SIM card tray right there. And very nice looking, man. On the back, you got your camera right there. I'll go over the specs here in a little bit, but you guys probably already know the specs. I'll just do a quick run through, peel this off. So not too exciting, very quiet. And then take that one off. Now I did go into Best Buy a while back and, had a chance to pick this up and play, kind of get a feel for it, and I liked it. So that was after I'd ordered this and everything. So here it is, very nice. Let's go ahead and power this up to see if it has any power. And then I'll go over a few of the specs. There it is. There's the boot. Get that out of that light there. So I got the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. This is the 512 gigabytes of storage. Now, if you pre-ordered, they automatically moved you up to the 512. This has 12 gigabytes of RAM. This is unlocked. It's a navy blue. The display on the inner display is a 7.6 inch. LTPO, AMOLED 2X, 120 hertz refresh rate, 2060 by 856 resolution, and it gets up to 2600 nits. So it's going to be pretty bright. And as a matter of fact, it's bright now, so I'm going to go ahead and close it. At first close feels pretty good. And let's see, the cover display, 6.3 inch. 968 by 2376, 410 ppi. It's 120 hertz as well, refresh rate, and it gets up to 2600 nits. 4400 milliamp hour battery, IP48 water and dust resistant. The weight on it is 8.43 ounces. This is Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Out of the box, this is going to be running Android 14.1, UI 6.1.1. This has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Comes in 3 different storages, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. And the camera array on the back of it, you're going to have some very nice cameras here. Here are the cameras on the back, 50 megapixel wide, f1.8. You got a 10 megapixel telephoto, f2.4. You got a 12 megapixel ultra wide, f2.2. This will shoot up to 4K, 60 frames per second. And then your selfie camera, you got this one and the one on the inner display. You got a 4 megapixel, f1.8 wide. Then you got a 10 megapixel, f2.2 wide. So those are a few of the features and details. I'm going to go ahead and put my information in. We'll come right back. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have put my information in. I haven't added any apps or anything like that. This is just out of the box. Just signed into my Google account. And this is kind of stuff you get on here. You get Google information, Microsoft, you get LinkedIn, Microsoft 360, OneDrive, Outlook. Of course, all of your Google stuff here. You also get your Samsung stuff right here. Get a calculator, calendar, camera, different things there. You guys see what you get there. Netflix is already on here, YouTube, music, like that. So far, it's very smooth. Strolling around here is very fluent. And like I said, it's updating some of the apps in the background there. The display looks very nice. I changed it to the dark theme, and I switched it over to the gestures. That's your sidebar right there. Let's go into the settings right quick and check out how much storage out of the box here that it's using. Let's go. I already searched for it one time. Yes. Storage right there. So out of the box, it's using 27.7 gigabytes out of the 512. So that's not bad. Let's go down to About Phone here. And let's go to Software Information. So it's running 6.1.1, One UI, Android 14. And it has the July 1st, 2024 security patch right there. So pretty up to date right there. Like I said, this is just my first impressions. I do like the matte sides there. Feels very thin, lightweight in the hand. The crease is not as noticeable. And definitely can't feel it as much, in my opinion. So it is reduced a lot from the last one I had. Now they're supposed to have some type of rubber seal light going around here, and I see it. So when you close it up, it's going to help with the dust and water and stuff like that. So very lightweight, man. Feels excellent. Supposed to be a little bit wider in the hand. I haven't tested all that. When I come back, talk about my experience with this, then I'll let you guys know what I think. So here's it up against the Google Pixel Fold, which has been up to this point my only foldable that I have. And I kind of like the Google Pixel Fold. It's one of my favorite devices here. And as you guys see, it's not too much thinner than the Google Pixel Fold for its thickness. This is much wider. And here they are. This is a little bit taller. The Google Pixel Fold 2 is one that I am waiting on, if they call it that. And then here's the iPhone right here. So a little bit shorter than the iPhone. The iPhone has a case on it. It's about as thick as the iPhone with the case. So yeah, man, I'm looking forward to using the Galaxy Fold 6. I did not pick up the watch. I'm thinking about getting that as well with the earbuds too. But I'm going to be using this. Probably swap it over to my main service. Right now, that's in the iPhone. Get that stick off of there. Or I'll use it with my Mint mobile service. But the color is definitely nice. It's a little bit different than what I saw. A lot of times these colors look different after you get something in your hand. But this is not bad. The matte is definitely nice in the sharper corners as well. So this is my first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. I'll make some more videos. I got cases coming. I have screen protectors as well. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.